In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add next and previous buttons in WordPress. Adding these navigation buttons enhances user experience by allowing seamless content browsing. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find a menu of options. Locate the Appearance section, which often houses critical site customization features. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the choices, select Editor. This will lead you to an area where you can modify your theme's code. It's important to note that navigating around here requires care, as altering theme code directly can affect your site's performance or layout. Once you're in the theme editor, you'll want to focus your attention on the Theme Files section on the right. Under this, find and select the file titled single.php. This particular file controls how individual posts are displayed on your site. You will insert the code for the navigation buttons here, and understanding its role can help you see the impact of the changes you'll be making. Now it's time to add the navigation code. Scroll to the bottom of the single.php file where you'll be adding the next and previous buttons function. This function will create those handy navigation links to allow visitors to move conveniently between posts. What's nice about using this code is that it's predefined and designed to integrate smoothly with your WordPress theme. Copy the following PHP code snippet and paste it at the bottom of the single.php file just before the closing PHP tag, PHP previous post link, and PHP next post link. When implementing this code, remember it directly leverages WordPress's built-in functions, designed to work with any WordPress theme. After inserting the code, it's crucial to review it for any mistakes. Ensuring that you haven't altered any code inadvertently above the snippet is key to maintaining the functionality of your site. Once satisfied, go ahead and save the changes. To do this, look for the Update File button at the bottom of the editor page. Press it to implement your new navigational features. With these changes saved, it's time to check and test them on the front end of your website. Open any post and scroll to the end. You should see the new next and previous buttons now available, ready to guide your visitors smoothly through your content. Should you wish to style these buttons, you can enhance their appearance using custom CSS. This takes place in the Additional CSS section under the Appearance panel. Approach this step creatively, tailoring the buttons to match your site's theme and aesthetic. Congratulations! You've successfully added next and previous buttons to your WordPress site, enriching the navigation experience for your visitors. They can stay on your site longer by accessing more content, which can also favorably impact your engagement metrics. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful WordPress tips and tutorials.